Okay, welcome back to the channel. It is true, we have goats. And today I'm going to start in on a little project I'd like to title the Goatel. What is the Goatel, you might be asking yourself? We purchased for not very much money this old hay wagon. It appears as though it's been through some sort of a fire, which is cool. I think it's pretty rustic and it adds quite a bit of character. But we are going to be building the Goatel on top of this structure here. And it will be a mobile goat and chicken hotel, which we'll be able to take down into the pasture using electric net, move them through the pasture, and we're pretty excited about it. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel down below, and follow along on this journey that we call life. There we go. We just needed enough to get over to the shop. I'm hooking up Bessie. We're gonna move this baby out of here. Let's do it. The BCS 853 completely impressed me by moving this hay wagon quite a ways. All right, let's get to the breakdown of this thing. We have removed the decking, this nice 2 by 12 by 8 foot long. Try to plane this down, get down into some of that patina and some of the fresh wood. I don't know if we'll reuse it on this particular project, but we're going to definitely use it somewhere. Shelving or some decorative barn wood wall or something. Alright, here's the scene. It's a total bomb scene going on. So I ended up, a lot's happened since I last left you, let me just tell you that much. Heated up with a torch and twisted it back pretty straight. This thing's a real doozy. I got it fairly back to kind of straight, not really, but it's better than it was. And now I'm just kind of grinding all the rusty stuff off. I'll put a coat of enamel spray paint on it just for protection. And I'm going through and grinding all these really junky welds. And I'm going to run some beads. This unit's been broken about 5 or 6 times, it looks like, so I'm going to just fill some some metal into here. Good evening, Bidwell Canyon Farm family. It's Brian. This evening we'll be doing some welding. All right, let's check out what we have going on. The weld up is complete. Hey boy, how are you? Can you tell all your cat subscribers hello? Alright team, we are in really good shape. Okay, that is a complete wheel assembly. Everything looks really good. We're gonna go ahead and put the wheels on. All right, we have the control arms all hooked up. We are on the road and we're gonna give her a test drive, see how she handles. I had to adjust this control arm and tighten it in a little bit, so we'll see if that did it. Hopefully we're straight shooting. That was so sweet. Oh man, I don't know how your ride was. It was really smooth. The wheels track really nice. I am super pumped right now. Hopefully we recorded that. Oh yeah. All right, so let's go back home up the canyon and we will start phase 2 of this build, which is to put timbers, a full floor, walls, roof, and turn this into the Goatel. So if you've enjoyed part 1, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and stay tuned for part 2 of Goatel. Yeah. Dude, don't show me that butthole. I need to get one of those little hanging jewels for his butthole. Okay.